we've been trying to go towards like prepare ourselves and go towards talking about infections that could come up in pregnancies. So here we just want to have an overview of what zoonotic infections are. So if you look at zoo, of course you know that zoo you are talking about animals. So you're talking about animal infections. Of course you are trying to talk about what are the infections from animals that could what jump to humans. So here we're just having an overview of it, talk about the different infections and all. So they are just diseases that can be transmitted between animals and humans. They are more common than you think. So over 60% of emerging infectious disease in humans are zoonotic. So what are zoonotic infections? They could be caused by bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites. So these things could actually move from what? Animals to humans. Transmission can occur through maybe you had a direct contact with the animal. It could be that you ate food that was contaminated by the animal. Okay. It could be that you drank water that was contaminated. It could be the environment. Okay. So some well-known diseases, you have them listed here. Pause and observe, right? So rabies, anthrax, salmonellosis, tuberculosis, Ebola, COVID-19. So how they spread, it could be direct contact, it could be vector-borne, it could be foodborne, it could be environmental, so exposed in the same environment with these animals. Okay, so types, you're just trying to go around it again, right? So bacterial infections, you have examples. Viral infections, you have examples. Parasitic infections, you have examples. Fungal infections, you have examples. Okay, so who is at risk? Farmers and veterinarians, pet owners, people living near wildlife. Okay, they're consumers of undercooked meat. Some people want to eat meat and they don't really cook it very well. So this is just an overview. It's a whole broad. I'm telling you, if you want to cover zoonotic infections, you should have nothing less than 100 videos on it. All right, so we'll move on it in subsequent classes.